Hi children, how are you? Did you learn EVS? Did you learn the notes? Okay, so in the last class we learned about caring for others. Now we are going to do exercise. Take the textbook. We can do the exercise. Now textbook page 10. Exercise time. First one. Tick the correct answer. There may be more than one correct answer. Tick the correct answer. There may be more than one correct answer. First question. How can you help your grandmother at a party? How can you help your grandmother at a party? Some answers are given. You should tick the correct one. There will be more than one correct answers. First one, put food for her in a plate and serve her. Play with your friends all the time. Find a chair and make her sit. So the correct answers are put food for her in a plate and serve her. Put tick mark in that sentence. Second correct answer, find a chair and make her sit. Last sentence. So these are the two correct answers of this question. Next question, how can we show our love and support for physically challenged people? How can we show our love and support for physically challenged people? Questions are by teasing them, by making them a part of our day-to-day activities, by laughing at them. So the correct answer is by making them a part of our day-to-day activities. Second sentence, put tick mark there. By making them a part of our day-to-day activities. Next question, why do people need our help, care and support as they grow old? Why do people need our help, care and support as they grow old? The questions are, they become lazy, they become weak and low strength, they are unable to do their work on their own. So there are two correct answers. They become weak and low strength. That is the correct answer. They are unable to do their work on their own. So these are the two correct answers. Put tick mark there. Fill in the blanks. First one. Old people should be given food that is dash and easy to dash. Old people should be given food that is soft and easy to digest. So the answers are soft, digest. Do you understand? Now next one, second. Blind people need books written in the dash script. Blind people need books written in the Braille script. Braille is the answer. Third one. We should show our dash and take dash of old people. We should show our love and take care of old people. So the answers are love, care. Fourth one. People who have one or more body parts missing are called dash. People who have one or more body parts missing are called physically challenged people. So the answer, physically challenged people. Last one. We should not dash at or dash the physically challenged people. We should not laugh at or tease the physically challenged people. So the answers are laugh, tease. Next, write true or false. You should write true or false in these boxes. First one, a person who is deaf cannot see. Is this sentence correct? No. So false. Write false or F. Second, as people grow old, they often become weak. Yes, that sentence is correct. No. So, write T or true. Third one, physically challenged people live in an old age home. That is wrong. So, write false or F. Fourth one, we must spend time with old people. That is correct. So, true or T. Fifth one, we must help physically challenged people in their chores. Yes, that is correct. Write T or true. Next one. Look at the table below and then answer the questions that follow. There are some tables are given. You have to answer the questions. In the first table, child. Your child's name are given. Next table, how the child help. Third one, how the child spends time. First child is Sanya. And what is written here? First one, gives medicine to her grandparents on time. Yes, Sanya. How Sanya helps? Sanya gives medicine to grandparents on time. Second is helps her grandparents get into or out of the car. So she helps her grandparents to get into or out of the car. Now next, how Sanya spends time. In this box, we can see how Sanya spends time. First one, reads the newspaper to her grandparents daily. Sanya reads newspaper to her grandparents. Second, goes for a walk daily with her grandparents. Sanya goes for a walk daily with her grandparents. Next, turn the page. Page 12. The next box is, this child's name is Tarun. Now, here Tarun does not like to bring water for his grandparents. Tarun does not like to bring grandparents. He will not help grandparents. He won't bring water to his grandparents. Second, never helps his grandmother find her spectacles. Tarun will not help her grandmother to find her spectacles. Then, next, does not like to take his grandmother to the temple in the evening. Tarun won't take her grandmother to the temple in the evening. Second, does not listen to the stories his grandmother wants to tell him. So, Tarun won't listen to the stories of her grandmother. Here, Tarun is not helping his grandmother. Now, in the next box, Surekha. Surekha helps grandfather to water the plants every day. Here we can see Surekha is helping her grandfather to water plants. Next, Surekha carries bags while shopping with her grandparents. Surekha carries bags while shopping with her grandparents. Here we can see Surega is helping her grandparents. Goes with grandparents to meet other relatives. Here Surega goes with her grandparents to meet relatives. Sings song for her grandparents and tell them jokes. Surega sings songs for her grandparents and tell jokes also. So here we can see Surega is helping her grandparents, but Tarun is not helping. And also Sanya helps her grandparents. No. So we learn 3 type of children. Yes, from these 3 children, Tarun is not helping her grandparents. So from this table, we understand that Tarun is not helping his grandparents. Now there are some questions. Which children are sensitive to the needs of their grandparents? So first question, which children are sensitive to the needs of their grandparents? How do they help them? So which children are sensitive to the grandparents? Which children are helping their grandparents? Look at the box and say, which children? Yes, Sanya is helping her grandparents, and also Surega. Sanya and Surega helps their grandparents. So which children are sensitive to the needs of the grandparents? Sanya and Surega. Next, how do they help them? How do they help them? Sanya gives her grandparents medicine. No, here we can see, gives medicine to them. Sanya gives her grandparents medicine on time. She also helps her grandparents get into or out of the car. Then she also reads the newspaper to them and goes for a walk with them daily. So this is the answer. How do they help them? So we got the answer that Sanya helped by giving medicine, then helping the grandparents to get into and out of the car, then helps to read newspaper, then walk with them. So like this way Sanya helps her grandparents. And also next, Surega helps grandfather to water the plants every day and carries bags while shopping with her grandparents. Surega helps by watering the plants and also carrying bags while shopping, and also goes with grandparents to meet relatives, then sing songs for her grandparents and also tell jokes. So like this way Sanya and Surega helps their grandparents. So this is the answer for the first question. How do they help them? Now next question. Which child does not give love and support to the grandparents? Can you say which child? Yes, Tarun. No, Tarun is not giving love and support to the grandparents. Suggest 2 ways by which the children can improve. Can you say how he can improve? He can spend time playing with his grandparents. No, he can spend time playing with grandparents and help them in their daily works. He can spend time playing with grandparents and also help them in their daily works. Like that way he can support his grandparents. Next, which child goes to visit relatives with the grandparents? How else does the child spends time with them? So tell me, which child goes with the grandparents to the relative's house? Yes, Surega. Surega goes with grandparents to the relative's house. So you have to write Surega. The next question, how else does the child spend time with them? How Surega spend time with grandparents? Yes, she will sing song for her grandparents and tell them jokes. She will sing songs for them and tell them jokes. So like this way she will help her grandparents. So did you understand this question and answers? So children, with this chapter 2, caring for others, is over. You have to do the exercise and notes and send to me. Thank you.